Again. Basaan na ni mo, oy. Ay, sige lakaw na dito. Oy, gutom na ba ako, day?
Go inside and eat. Why won't you do?
Because, what if somebody will kidnap you? Manilingaw sa mga bata diri, no? Manilingaw ni Kelsey diri, no? Bisag tugnaw. So look at this, Kelsey. Naay ko ano. Kelsey, look at this. See? There. Ay. Kidaghay snow. Pwede ka magdula diri. Pwede po ka magdula dito. Nag-walk eh. That means spring is coming na. Aren't you cold, Kelsey? Wala ka gitog now?
No. Hi, I'm making a snow castle.
Yeah, if there's a stranger, you have to get inside the house. Okay?
Only if you're sleeping.
I'm not going to sleep while you're out. Okay, dara ka. Kay tugnaw ko. Sige, storyahin ako. Unsa daw na ado sa eskwelahan niya. Na-stress si Kelsey na. Na daw naibog saya sa eskwelahan. Na? Na naibog saya sa eskwelahan? Sama, uyab-uyab na ka dito. Unsa day mo?
Stop staying.
Unsa man daan? It's a boy, you said. It's a boy. What's his name? What if your classmate will watch your video and you mentioned the name? Gikilig. How old are you?
6.
Kang kawalan, day kang kilig-kilig day. That is there na boy na ibog sa imo? Look at your smile.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, karang, hi, can I sit with you? Anak man daw tong boy.
Ngiti mo lang parang nakaka...
Yeah. Yes, you can sit with me. Anak po.
No.
Oh, what's today?
He said, I like to sit beside you.
Puso ko yung nabiha.
I was like, I didn't hear nothing.
So you're pretending you didn't hear nothing.
Yeah.
And then
I don't like a book.
yes, you do have crush. What does crush mean?
You crush yourself like there's a machine that crushes.
Unyang gabi si Kelsey, matulog ni siya ra isa no. Kaya ka nang nari mo tapad sa iya ha. No. Kelsey, labhin na imong mask. This is enough already?
Yeah.
Okay, so till next time, do not subscribe to our channel because wala